Sometimes people come up to me and they say, "Hey, you've been with your wife for 20 years. What's your secret to a long and happy marriage?" And I say, karaoke. And we don't go every week, but we often go, and sometimes we practice on our home karaoke machine. But it's never been a satisfactory experience until the Phenyx Pro. Specifically, this is the PDP-21H1B dual wireless microphone system. And when you look at the photo, you see a microphone, and who knows what these two things are? Well, I know, and I'm about to tell you. First of all, this is the microphone that you get. It's got a beautiful digital display with the channel number, battery life indicator, and signal strength. It's made out of metal. It feels good in the hand, and it's totally the opposite of that cheap piece of junk that came with my karaoke machine. This is the receiver that plugs into the back of my karaoke machine. They say for best experience, the antenna should be pointed up, but since the port is in back, it points sideways, unless you happen to have a right angle adapter, which they provide, but there's still too much going on in the back of my karaoke machine, so I just have it pointed sideways, and it works just fine. This is the other device that's pictured on the front of the box. It looks like an old school cell phone, but really it's a transmitter that clips to your belt. This was my first surprise. It also comes with a headset microphone that plugs into the transmitter. And as an alternative to that, it also comes with a lavalier microphone that plugs into the transmitter. The wearable transmitter only has one microphone input, so you have to choose between the lavalier and the headset. But you can use the microphone and the transmitter at the same time. So even if you only have one microphone input on your karaoke machine, you can sing duets. If you don't like the idea of using a headset or a lavalier for karaoke, that's okay because you can get additional microphones and it'll work just as well. But the important thing is, how does the Phenyx Pro sound? Well, for one thing, it completely eliminated the hum in my karaoke machine. And also, I was able to turn down the gain because these picked up our voices so much better. We were about to throw away the karaoke machine because we thought it was garbage, but it turns out only the microphone that Altec Lansing supplied was garbage. Once we replaced that with the Phenyx Pro, it sounds great. They include a headset, a transmitter, a lavalier, the receiver, the microphone, but no storage case. This is a nice system. I want a decent place to put these when I'm not using them, and I ended up ordering a third-party system, but you shouldn't have to. It should come with a storage case. Now, don't get me wrong. This is a microphone. You don't have to use it for karaoke. You can use it for whatever you want. But this made my karaoke machine sound great. And I think with the Phenyx Pro, I can easily get another 20 years of happily ever after. To close this review, I would like to demonstrate the microphone with a few bars from my favorite song.